I think we're live, and I hope we're live. I think we are live. Pretty sure. Right now we have one tornado warning in effect. Definitely looks like a possible tornado here south of Axtell, Kansas. Peoria, Illinois is not expected to get anything, I believe, today. But tomorrow you may see severe weather. Very large hail, very strong rotation in the south north of Wichita Falls. Like 10 minutes ago, someone reported a large, dusty tornado on the ground, but I do not know if that is true. It's just a spotter report. And I do not plan on being live for long either. As I do have other plans. Oh, look at that outflow boundary. So unfortunately, I can only live stream for about an hour because I do have other things I want to accomplish. Yeah, very strong velocities. Looks like potentially, 80 miles an hour around here. And going back to this tornado warning up here. This looks like a possible tornado, which is why they have that tornado warning issued. So that will also need to be watched. Welcome, April. To any of you just joining, I won't be live streaming as long as normal. So probably about an hour. Hi once again. Definitely some pretty good rotation over there. North of Wichita Falls, Texas. Right around the Texas-Oklahoma border. And we do have a tornado warning storm up here, which, looking at the velocities, I do believe there may be a tornado on the ground. Or at least was a tornado on the ground. But take cover if you live in the path of a tornado warning. But right now, this is my main concern. Almost 3-inch hail, baseball-sized hail with potentially 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Potentially. Yeah, definitely a nasty-looking storm. It looks like there may be a tornado on the ground. Uh, Up here. It is radar indicated, but I do think there is a tornado on the ground, or if not, there was a couple minutes ago. So we'll be watching this storm north of Wichita Falls, unless something else happens. I do think we have severe thunderstorm watches right now, so I'll have to check that. Right now. Yes, I do think so. Depends on where in eastern Oklahoma. If you're in northeastern Oklahoma, there is less of a chance, but still possible. But southeastern Oklahoma, there's a greater chance. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in the Carolinas that is going to expire and get canceled soon, with good probabilities. But the watch down here in Texas has pretty big probabilities here. Models haven't been the greatest lately. And just one model showing something happening doesn't mean it will happen. And typically I like to wait about 5 days before it happens, before even considering the models showing. I think there might be one tropical system possible in the next 6 days. But still, models haven't been great lately, so I'm not going to trust them at this current moment. So right now my main concern is to win over Wichita Falls. tornado warning in Texas. I think it's down here, I believe. Yep, clearly. Yeah, definitely possible tornado down there. It is radar indicated lime-sized hail. Spotter reports 4 miles east-northeast of Shannon, Texas, that tornado is on the ground. I do not know where Shannon, Texas is. But we're going to assume it's over here, because I don't see it on my map. Yes, definitely. Far southern Wisconsin could see a little bit of that too, depending on how it all sets up. Yeah, we're going to wait for that warning to load in Texas. I'm not seeing any debris signatures. Definitely some tight rotation. Yep, there it is. It is radar indicated, not confirmed, but take this seriously. Another tornado warning in Texas with this storm here. Take cover if you live in any tornado warnings. Both of these are very dangerous storms. Yep. Radar indicated baseball-sized tail. Yeah, definitely 2 possible tornadoes in Texas. Both of them radar indicated, but a spotter did report a tornado on the ground, but we'll have to see. This one's kind of messy. So definitely take these tornado warnings seriously. Yeah, really take cover if you're in any of these tornado warnings. Both of them. Okay, confirmed tornado down here. It is observed with lime-sized hail. So take cover if you live in the path of any of these tornado warnings. This one near Bellevue is confirmed. This one up here remains unconfirmed, but still very dangerous. Yeah, a spotter reported a funnel with a dust swirl 2 to 3 miles northwest, which matches pretty good with the velocities. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this get observed too. Yep, observed tornado. Weather spotters confirmed tornado just northeast of Shannon. Yep, tornado is on the ground. There is a picture of it of a cone tornado. So definitely a very dangerous situation. And I do know this picture is most likely true because it's coming from a very trusted person with a large following. Yeah, this is a very dangerous situation. Right now I'm more concerned about the southern tornado warning. This one's also tightening up a little bit in Arkansas, developing a hook right here. Yeah, very dangerous storms. Definitely looking like an intense tornado. Looks like it could be lifting, but still take shelter because it is a confirmed tornado. Let's check back in Arkansas. It definitely has a hook here. Yeah, these two storms are very dangerous. One of them had a confirmed tornado here. The one northeast of Wichita Falls is unconfirmed. But it's still a possible tornado on the ground. Looks like it might have lifted the southern one. But still stay in shelter until any warnings are lifted. Tornado warning continues in Texas right here. Radar indicated baseball size hail possible. I believe this tornado is rain wrapped here, so don't wait to see it. Just get in your shelters. Tornado warning continues here. Still observed lime-sized hail possible. Right now we have one confirmed tornado on the ground down here, or at least was on the ground. There are pictures of this tornado confirmed. This one, there is possibly a tornado on the ground, so take shelter if you live in any tornado warning. And this severe thunderstorm in Arkansas could be capable of producing a tornado at some point as it moves northeast. It's producing large hail, and it also has a little hook here. Right now we have 2 tornado warnings, one observed. The observed one is the southern one here. Hello. We do have a picture of the Bellevue tornado down here. Let's see if I can load this up. Yep, right here. I don't know when this was taken, but it was posted a minute ago. So definitely a current dangerous situation, or was a very dangerous situation, but still take cover if you live in a tornado warning. That tornado you just saw was confirmed earlier. Likely when the stronger velocity signatures were showing, which I can't go back to now because I don't have Pro. Texas, northern Texas. south of Bellevue. It may not be on the ground anymore, but just still take cover, because if it's not on the ground now, it was on the ground now, and it may retouch down at any moment. If you are new to the stream, please like, subscribe, share. And another storm I'm concerned about is one in western Arkansas that had a well-defined hook earlier. So we'll have to watch that. Tomorrow will also be a big day. I'll quickly show you the SBC before anything else happens. Hello, SBC. Okay, there we go. Tomorrow's outlook, we have two separate slight regions in a marginal risk. We have two different areas of 2% tornado, two different areas for 15% wind, and two different areas for 15% hail. And we also have a significant severe coming down into the 5% risk, which is very interesting. You don't see that too often. Today is a 5% tornado risk. Yeah, so we're going to need to keep an eye out for this Arkansas storm. Hi, Harrison. I actually wasn't anticipating live streaming today, but I decided to. This is going to be shorter than my other live streams, by the way. But I was not expecting to stream today. I do think there is a solid possibility we could see a slight risk in northern Illinois somewhere, and potentially far southern Wisconsin, as per discussions and models. This tornado warning storm in northern Texas is still radar indicated. Has not been confirmed. And also, just so you know, if my area is in a severe risk, I'm not live streaming. So tomorrow, not live streaming. And also, Sunday could be a very interesting day as well. There is very low confidence on it, but we could potentially see a slight risk and a marginal risk dipping back into the Great Lakes and back into Illinois and Wisconsin, where we have a similar day to Saturday if storms can actually fire off Sunday. Tomorrow's risk over here. Let's quickly check back on this. Yeah, that hook concerns me. Yeah, I think, if I'm not wrong, Illinois had like almost every single severe threat bus. I remember there was a moderate risk in Illinois, and that was more like a general thunderstorm risk. So hopefully something can happen where I am in southeastern Wisconsin. I am in a marginal risk for tomorrow. I do think there is potential for an upgrade to a 5% risk in Illinois tomorrow. There is a chance. If a slight risk were to be issued. But like I said earlier, I will not be live streaming if I'm in any severe risk, even if it's a marginal. Unless, okay, as I was saying, I will not be streaming if I'm in any severe risk, even if it's a marginal, unless there is like a moderate or high risk somewhere else. If it's a really big day, then I'll probably stream, depending on what risk I'm in. Because if I'm in a moderate risk, yeah, I'm not streaming. It's half for my own safety and half because I actually want to see the storm. Yeah, I think that was, yeah. But as I said earlier, this is going to be a shorter live stream. I started like 7:15 p.m. ish, so I'll probably end it around 8:05 or so. If Broyles was in charge for the storm risk tomorrow, he'd probably issue a high risk for Illinois. But yeah, I do think enhanced is a possibility, a small possibility, but small possibility is still a possibility. But I think a slight risk is more likely. So we saw one confirmed tornado today, and one radar indicated. Technically 3 tornado warnings, because earlier we did have a tornado warning in northern Kansas. Yeah, I'm probably going to end the live stream very shortly. They'll probably let it expire. If not, cancel it once it completely moves out of the area, depending on what it does after. Oh, we can catch the new day 1 outlook before we end the stream. That just came out. Is this an updated one? No, it isn't. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait just a little longer. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait a little longer. Okay, this is the updated day 1 outlook. Enhanced risk still exists in Texas, Oklahoma. Sunday could be a big day. I'll just put that out there. 100% depends on what it does, and it's a very conditional threat. Tornado probabilities, I believe these are updated, 5%. Hail probabilities, 30% SIG. Wind, 15. They did cancel the northern tornado warning. Yeah, hopefully backyard and stuff. That's what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, Sunday could be huge, but it's very conditional. Very, 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 very conditional. But if Sunday were to be a big event, that has me concerned significantly. Specifically for my safety and the safety of other people. Let's see here. Might as well look at models before we end it. Just because, why not? I'm going to look at the Midwest, nowhere else, so don't yell at me to look at your area because I'm not. I'm just going to be looking at the Midwest for Sunday. Oh, with the latest run of NAM, I'll look at... yeah. Sunday and Monday, like, these are very conditional threats, by the way. Sunday, 00Z, 7 p.m. Yeah, 7 p.m. These are service-based CAPE values. Some areas in Iowa, Missouri, over 5,000. If we look at the significant tornado parameter, for 7 p.m. Sunday, definitely some possible tornadoes, specifically around Iowa. Then it moves eastward, southward, all sorts of directions. I think the NAM 3 km goes far enough for Sunday. Yes, it does. This is what 7 p.m. Sunday, the NAM 3 km is showing. Very similar. If we look at surface-based CAPE values for this, it is different. They do leave a big gaping hole here, and the GFS, which I'll also show you here, surface-based CAPE. GFS is toned down on CAPE values, but has it more widespread. And if we look at radar for the NAM 3 km, for the 18Z run, this is Saturday, 21Z. It kind of bows out. But again, each model shows somewhat different things. I'm just showing you what this model does. And this model does love linear segments because that's just the NAM 3 km. So, yeah. And this is Sunday, 00Z. Very conditional threat. Storms may not fire up, storms may fire up. So it's a very conditional threat. So I think I'll be ending the stream here. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and subscribe some more. I'll see you in the next video or live stream, which won't be tomorrow. Goodbye.